everyone, my name is Gargi and you are watching the Amateur Millionaire. So today we are going to taste some Finnish foods, and these are the top 5 Finnish foods which I would recommend if you are ever visiting Finland. So here we go. Okay, so number 1 is the rye bread. So this bread is actually the national food of Finland. It is mostly used in sandwich, or you can directly eat with some butter on topping. So this actually looks like somewhat this. So it is very hard bread. It is brown in color. The brown color depends upon the amount of the rye in the flour. It is usually what you call sour in taste, but Finnish people don't feel it sour. We people feel it sour. You might feel it sour, but you can have it as a lunch or as a dinner because it is really heavy. It keeps you filling, and I would really recommend to try it just once if you're here in Finland. Okay, the second is the rice pies. It is also known as this. I can't pronounce it. Okay, this is what we call it here. So this is basically a rice pudding which is placed inside a rye bread structure. You can usually find it in your nearest groceries or in your bakeries, and it is not very expensive also. It's like 0.25 cents, and you can try it if you're here. Okay, the third thing which we are going to try here is bread cheese. Okay, you got me. It's bread cheese. So this is what I'm talking about. This kind of cheese is very famous here in Finland, and now let's try.
It's in microwave for approx 40 seconds and it is a little bit melted. And I'm tasting it with a licorice jam.
Tastes somewhat like paneer only. Like in between hard and in between soft. It's like when you eat it, you get kind of a squeaky taste. I think from there it gets its name. People usually have it with coffee. Okay, I usually have biscuits or breads with coffee, but cheese, I don't know. But this is the traditional way of having it with coffee. So what they do, usually they dunk it in the coffee and then drink. I don't know. Seems strange to me. Okay, the fourth thing that we're going to try here is the licorice toffees or licorice chocolates. I have got here some Fazer chocolates. You can buy this at your nearest departmental stores, and it is not that much expensive. It is like 1.59 euros for 200 grams. The sweet and salty texture of the licorice makes it mostly famous here, and these are some licorice toffees. Let's taste them. Fragrance wise, smells like hajmola chatkara. So these have different designs, and some round ones also. Let's see. Salty. It has a hint of pepper too. It's okay. Give it a try. It's something different from our country. So next we're going to try a salmon fish. You can easily find salmon here in every departmental stores. I have bought a ready-made salmon meal. It is a salmon soup. So it's not that much expensive. It is like 1.5 or something under 2 euros. You can easily have that at home.
This is the pre-cooked salmon soup which I was telling. You have to put it in microwave and it will be like this. It has a few chunks of salmon and potatoes and a creamy soup with some rosemary on top. You can have it like this or sprinkle some pepper on top.
Mostly people recommend to have this as it is a rich source of vitamin D, vitamin B3, vitamin 12, fatty acid, good for you. So this I would highly recommend if you're here ever. So these are my top recommendations. How do you like it? Did you ever tasted it? Have you enjoyed it? What are your thoughts on it? Share with me and do let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such updates. Bye bye.